Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So let's talk about some brand new add-ons that you can get right now on Super Hive, which are pretty amazing, and most of these add-ons will definitely help you level up and also build amazing stuff in Blender in record time. At the same time, there's a huge set of discounts that you would definitely want to grab, and with that said, let's dive right into it. Lazy Cracker from Ship is an amazing Blender add-on that allows you crack, fracture, and also simulate destructions on your 3D models. And this is fully built inside of Blender, making it easier for you to now create that crack or fracture effect easily. And currently, this is going for 25% off, with amazing controls that allows you to simply draw your crack path to control how the cracking works. And for those who like to do things automatically, there's a procedural destruction tool that allows you to automatically crack stuff. At the same time, you do have an amazing set of parameters and features that you can use to control how the cracking of a particular model is. Cracking and fracturing are not the only thing that comes with this add-on. This add-on also ships with 30+ debris assets alongside some bonus materials that make it super easy for you to add those extra layer of fine-tuning to your model. So whether you're thinking about just simply cracking, adding some debris, doing some nice cool fractures procedurally or artistically, you can now do all of that. And right now, you will be getting these for 25% off. At the same time, if you simply go over to Ship's page, you'd also be able to get some of the bundles that they've put together alongside some other tools that they have right here. And these are super amazing. Shader Hero has recently put together the Light Painter, and Light Painter is a pretty impressive Blender add-on that allows you to sculpt and paint light how you want inside of Blender. Now this tool allows you to traditionally paint light like you're working in Photoshop and gives you options of painting light, controlling how much light intensity, the hardness, and also how this light blends across various other lights. More so, this is fully layer based, which makes it easy for you to simply go back and forward in terms of making corrections and changing the light texture, the color, and also intensity, giving you that endless creative workflow. And for those that are thinking about using gradients to light your scene, of course you can. You can either light your scene by object basis or you can light your scene based on collection. And if there are certain parts you like to just simply select and light, there is also a select tool that can allow you to find the area that you like to light your scene and control them. All textures and also light that you create with this can simply be moved from one point to another, and changes can be made on the fly. So whether you're thinking about cleaning them, adjusting their scale, rotation, or even animating them, yes you can. And this doesn't bake the light, this just allows you control light easily like you've always wanted. And of course, for those who are thinking about painting light and having that freedom to create, they might want to consider checking out Light Painter. Of course, Shader Hero also has a couple of nice cool stuff that he has also put together, which includes the Preview It, which is a live geometry node previewer, and Shader View, which is pretty much like previewing your shaders within your node graph. And for the Light Painter tool, this is currently doing a 25% offer. And if you've always wanted to make robots, then Robot Designer, which is a procedural robot character creator, is here. And this tool is made available by Alexis. Alexis has put together this powerful robot creator, which gives you option of creating robots across 10 different presets. And these are fully procedural, which allows you to automate how the robot creation actually happens in various stages. So whether you're thinking about adjusting the arm, the head, the legs, or even the overall body, you can now easily create robots that fits exactly what you're going for. All robots that you create here are bipedals, and with the parameters that you have, you can create almost endless variations of the robot. And the robots doesn't just come as plain models, they also come with smart materials which you can adjust to add a bit of wear, tear, details, cable, screws, and socket. And once you're done, you can simply transform those robots into fully rigged models which you can use, as this ships with both Rigify, Mixamo rigs, which you can use to start animating the models automatically. And for those who are thinking about using this in-game engine, this also allows you to export to both Unity, Unreal Engine, and use for Blender. And right now, this is currently going for 25% off. The folks at the GOO Studio have recently released the GOO Physics, and the folks at the GOO are known for supporting the development of Blender's MPR system, and they've released the GOO Physics, which is an extreme bone simulator. Now this is known to be their in-house tool for simulating hair, clothes, props, subbodies, and more stuff with a single click. As at the heart of the GOO Physics is the recognition that realism often works against the need of stylized animation, and of course creating realistic simulations, for example, can be quite difficult to tweak and frequently produces motions that feels too grounded or too physically constrained for anime-inspired characters. And this is why the GOO Physics exists, as GOO Physics addresses this by simply offering a system that automates the movement while preserving artistic control. So animators can simply rely on this tool to generate that appealing arc and secondary motions that they need for both cloth, hair, and jiggles, whilst being able to refine the result while maintaining the integrity of the anime or design that they're working on. GOO Physics is built to help creators balance between automation and control, making it the perfect tool for anyone that is into MPR or stylized animation to create fluid motions easily. And this comes with a good number of presets that includes the GOO Sim Chain, the GOO Stiff, the GOO Flappy, the GOO Slow-Mo, and also jewelry. There's also some other stuff that has to do with geometry nodes that also exist here. More so, this has support for collision, wind, soft body, jiggle physics, clothes, hair, and some other impressive stuff. So if this is something that you find appealing, or maybe you're into stylized animation, or you're looking for a tool that can allow you to do these things quickly, then of course you can simply go ahead and check out GOO Physics from the folks at GOO Studio. At the same time, if you're also looking for trail tools, the mesh trail from the folks at GOO Studio is also an amazing one, as this has been updated to support Blender 5.0 and above. This gives you access to working with some amazing looking stylized trails that you can attach to your meshes and create beautiful animations and effects. So if any of this interests you, then you can simply go over to the link in the description and grab it. And if you're thinking about bringing tactile realism to your 3D model, then Bubblegum has just done that with Surface Lab, which is a set of 3D print textures that you can now use on your 3D model, as this toolkit comes with about 30 plus ready-to-use textures that you can throw onto any 3D model of choice, tweak them to your hard content, and create that tactile looking feel that you've always wanted. So whether you're thinking about getting that model to feel like clay, cheese, chipset, wool grain, or even a puffer vest, you can now do all of this. The best part is this comes fully customizable, which allows you to adjust, rotate, scale, and even customize this however you want. At the same time, you also have full control to how the displacement of the textures work, and you can also have full control on certain parts you like to mask and control these objects. And of course, if you're thinking about using this for 3D printing, then this is definitely that 3D texture pack that you're looking for. And of course, for those who are looking for more 3D textures that they can work with, Bubblegum has also put together a good number of them. And if you're into anime, then Kamikaze 2.1 is a pretty interesting one, as this comes with over 200 plus stylized shaders, materials, and stuff that you can simply work with. So from essentials to elemental down to miscellaneous ones, you do have all of them. And for those who are into plush toys or even woolly stuff, then the woolly tool and shader is also available, and this comes with a good number of stuff for those who are looking for furry-like stuff that they can throw onto their model. So whether you're thinking about adding a fur, felt, fuzzy, or hair effect on your model, then all of these are right here, and links to them will be in the description. And if you love working with decals, then the Decal Base version 2.0 is an amazing decal tool that you should definitely get. So this is a one-click tool that allows you to throw in decals into your scene. And right now, this comes with 250 hand scribbles, which you can throw in. You can also animate your decals, you can work with fonts, and there is just so much stuff that you can now do with this tool. At the same time, if you're thinking about a tool that can allow you to fiddle with your decals in more ways than one to create amazing looking masterpiece, then of course you should definitely go ahead and check this out. And right now, for those who like to grab the version 2, if you already own version 1.3, which is actually this one, you can get the version 2 for free. So if you already own version 1 or even 1.3, you can get the version 2 for free. But if you like to get this version, which is version 1.3, there's a discount code right here. At the same time, you can also get this version for 25% off with this other discount code, which I'm going to link in the description. So for those who are into decals and maybe you're thinking about exploring them, then Bala has made amazing decal tools that you can grab. The free version is also available just in case you like to test this out before you purchase any of these. And if you're looking for more discount, Bala also has a couple of tools that are also doing discount right here, like the Cut and Wrap version 1.2 and of course the Abandoned Industrial Building. For free stuff, there's also a couple of free stuffs as well, which you can grab. That includes the dumpster. We've also got the Groovescape as well, which is also free, and the Lazy Select is also another free add-on that he has put together. And of course, there's also a couple of other interesting cool add-ons that are also available, which you would find in the description. More so, there's some pretty cool add-ons that are currently doing amazing discounts as well, which will also link in the description for those who like to check this out. And of course, for those who are thinking about getting more stuff, the folks at Superhive are starting the spring sale, which will be running from the 5th of May all through till the 11th of May of 2026. And of course, if you like to grab any of these add-ons or any of the tools that you can find on Superhive, that would be a wonderful time for you to save up on that bulk and grab them. Links alongside coupon codes will be in the description for those who like to grab it. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.